Social Security disability. What is intestacy and why is it important? Hi, I'm Mark Whitehead, a board-certified disability attorney and author of the Disability Help Book, The Social Security Disability Puzzle, How to Fit the Pieces Together and Win Your Claim. Most people don't even know what intestacy is because it's not a subject that comes up all that often, even in Social Security disability claims. But a recent Supreme Court ruling means that some children of a deceased benefit recipient are going to have to get a crash course on the subject if they want to win their claim. Why? To understand the ruling and to understand what it means for some claimants, first you have to understand what intestacy means. Basically, when someone dies without creating a will or creates a will but doesn't account for everything they own in it, their estate goes to the probate court and most often goes to the surviving relatives via the intestacy laws. The Social Security Administration also has rules in place that allow for spouses and children to continue receiving benefits of the deceased spouse or parent. But there are some cases where there have been questions about whether or not someone should continue getting these benefits. One specific case that's been a big question mark for a while is that of children who are born after the beneficiary dies. While they are clearly the biological children of the recipients, legal battles have been fought to decide if they should receive benefits because the money the deceased got obviously wasn't being used to take care of them. Do they count as dependents? According to the United States Supreme Court, that depends on the intestacy laws of the state where the beneficiary was living when he or she died. Each state has specific laws defining whether or not a relative qualifies to receive something under the deceased estate under the intestacy statutes. If state law says a posthumously conceived child can inherit, then they're considered a child under the rules of the Social Security Administration and can get disability benefits. As you might imagine, all of this is more than a little confusing, adding state law to the already complex nature of disability claims. If you're wondering whether or not you qualify, the best thing to do is to speak with an experienced attorney about your specific situation. If you have more Social Security disability questions, check out my free ebook, The Social Security Disability Puzzle, How to Fit the Pieces Together and Win Your Claim. Visit www.disabilitydenials.com for a free downloadable copy or call 1-800-562-9830 to discuss your particular disability issue. I'm Mark Whitehead. Thanks for watching.